Hi tech lovers and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of innovation as we unveil the 7 next-level gadgets that are set to revolutionize the way we live and interact with technology. The FutureTech Mini Portable Thermal Printer, your go-to label maker for on-the-go printing needs. Create self-adhesive stickers effortlessly with this compact pocket printer. Stay connected with Bluetooth technology for seamless printing from your device. Experience convenience and efficiency with the FutureTech M110, ideal for organization, crafting and more. The ultimate solution for secure firearm storage, the gun-safe biometric drop-down bedside gun safe. With cutting-edge fingerprint technology, you can enjoy quick and convenient access to your handgun in seconds. Designed to mount securely by your bedside, this pistol safe provides peace of mind and easy accessibility during emergencies. Safeguard your loved ones and valuables with this reliable and easy-to-use biometric handgun safe today. Introducing the Rangefinder 2024 ITSA Light Neck Air Conditioner, the ultimate cooling companion for those on the go. Stay cool and comfortable wherever you are with its advanced cooling technology. With a powerful 6,000 mAh battery, enjoy immersive cooling for extended periods of time. This innovative device is not only incredibly portable, but also the coolest accessory you'll own. Introducing the electric adjustable ceiling TV mount with remote, a game changer for your home entertainment setup. Say goodbye to uncomfortable viewing angles with this motorized flip-down pitched roof mount. Designed for 32 to 70-inch flat and curved TVs, control it effortlessly with the included remote for a truly modern and convenient viewing solution. The Rivasri Golf Laser Rangefinder, your ultimate companion for precision and accuracy on the golf course. With a range of up to 600/1000 yards, slope adjustment and flag pin lock vibration technology, this device is perfect for golf tournaments, hunting and surveying. Keep your kitchen organized and maximize space with kitchen pull-down shelf wall sliding rack. This innovative cabinet pull-out storage organizer is perfect for storing pots, pans and other kitchen essentials within easy reach. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets and simplify your cooking routine with this convenient solution. The BRS Titanium Mini Camping Gas Burner, your perfect companion for outdoor adventures. Weighing just 25 g, this one-piece pocket stove is incredibly lightweight and portable. Enjoy hassle-free cooking while hiking, camping or backpacking with this efficient and durable folding cooking furnace.